Students, in exercise 3.4, exercise 3.4, question number 2, third part. Students, the sum of digit of a two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. Find the number. Sum of digit of a two-digit number is 9. Student, let the unit digit of the number be. Let the unit digit of the number be. X. Student, let the unit digit of the number be x. And tens digit of the number b. That is y. Students, therefore the required number is student, to make the number, what can you do? Student, your unit digit is x, tens digit is your y.
So the number will be 10y plus x.
The number will be tens digit is y, you will multiply tens digit by 10 and you will multiply the unit digit by 1 and add it to it. That is 10y plus x. 10y plus x. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Student, sum of digit of a two-digit number is 9 according to first condition. According to first condition. Student, sum of digit of a two-digit number, sum of two-digit number is 9. That is equation first. Student, any doubt, any problems? Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Now student, you have to reverse the order of digits. Your unit digit is x and 10 digit is y. You have to reverse the order. Now student, after reversing the order of digits, your unit digit becomes y. You have to change the order. आपको क्या है, इनके ऑर्डर चेंज करने. आपको यूनिट डिजिट को y बनाना है और आपको 10 डिजिट को क्या करना है, x करना है. स्टूडेंट्स, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
So the reverse number will be
On reversing order of digits, after reversing order of digits, student, unit digit of the number b. Unit digit of the new number b. y, 10th digit of the new number b, 10th digit of the new number b. X, student, required new number b, required new number b, new number b. Student, you have to multiply 10 digit by 10 and even digit by now. Students, read the question properly. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits according to second condition. According to second condition. Students, 9 times this number, 9 times this number, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. After reversing the order of digits, we have to require new number. Required new number is 10x plus y. स्टूडेंट्स, आपका जो ओरिजिनल नंबर है वो 10y प्लस x है, 10y प्लस x है। लेकिन अगर आपने इसका ऑर्डर चेंज करते हो तो ऑर्डर चेंज करने के बाद जो नंबर मिल रहा है आपको वो मिल रहा है 10x प्लस y। रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली। 9 टाइम्स द ओरिजिनल नंबर, 9 टाइम्स द ओरिजिनल नंबर दैट इज 10y प्लस x is equal to twice the new required number 10x plus y. Student, any doubt, any problem in this concept?
No.
Have you any problems? Now students,
No.
multiply it. 90y plus 9x that is 20x plus 2y. Now students, rearrange the equation 9x minus 20y 20x plus 90y minus 2y equal to 0 minus 11x plus 88y minus 11x plus 88y equal to 0. Student, what is common in two terms? 11 is common, minus x plus 8y equal to 0. Students, it becomes minus x plus 8y. Students, 0 divided by 11. 0 divided by 11. 0. Student, that is your second equation. Now student, first equation is x plus y is equal to x plus y is equal to 9. That is your first equation. Minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. That is your second equation. Students, solve this equation. Find out the value of x and y. Student, here you are observing that the coefficient of x is 1 and no need to multiply. Student, first of all we will eliminate by elimination method we will eliminate x. That is cancel out 1y plus 8y. Yes students. Yes students. The value of y is a 1. Y is equal to 9 by 9. It becomes 1. Now student, putting y is equal to 1 in equation first. Putting y is equal to 1 in equation first. Your first equation is x plus y is equal to 9. If you will replace y with 1, then
the value of x will be 8.
9 minus 1, the value of x is equal to 8. Now student, required original number is required original number b. Original number b. Students, 10y plus x. Student, what is y?
1.
Plus 8. 10 plus 8, that is 18. It is your final answer. Please note down 8. Fourth part, question number 2, fourth part. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. Friends, we don't know then how many 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. Student, let number of 50 rupees notes are. Let number of 50 rupees notes. Number of 50 rupees notes. How many? Student, how many 50 rupees notes? X. And number of 100 rupees notes. How many? That is y. Students, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Students, if 50 rupees notes are x, then what is the amount? According to first condition.
50x plus 100.
Friends, here 50 rupees notes are x, the amount will be 50x. If you have 1000 rupees notes 4, then amount will be 4000. 1000 into 4, that is 1000 into 4, that is 4000. Here the 50 rupees notes are x, so 50 rupees notes amount will be 50x, and 100 rupees notes are y. So amount of 100 rupees notes will be 100y. Student, it will 50x. Student, according to first condition, that is 50x plus 100y is equal to total amount is 2000. That is your first condition. Now student, what is common in these first two terms? 50 common. 50, that is x plus 2y. Now student, that is 2000. Student, it is not first equation. Now student, 50 ones are 50, that is equal to 40. It becomes 40.
Yes, sir.
Now student, x plus 2y is equal to 40. This is your first equation.
40.
X plus 2y is equal to 40. Now student, total number of nodes are 25 according to second condition. Total number of notes, it means 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes are 25. That is x plus y.
X plus y equals to 25.
Very good student. That is your second equation. Now student, we solve these two equations. That is x plus 2y is equal to 40 is your first equation. X plus y, that is 25, is your second equation. Solve these two pair of linear equation. Now student, we are observing here that the coefficient of x are equal. There is no need to multiply with any number, and you are observing here that but sign of coefficient x are same. Then how the x will eliminate? On subtracting. Equation second from equation first. Minus, that is cancel out, that is y, that is 15. Now student, putting y is equal to 15 in equation second, putting y is equal to 15 in equation second. Student, second equation is x plus y, that is equal to 25. Now x plus 15, that is 25. Now student, x becomes 10. 25 minus 15, that is 10. 25 minus 15, that is 10. So student, 50 rupees notes are 10 and 100 rupees notes are 15. Student, 50 rupees notes, therefore 50 rupees notes are 50 rupees notes are 10 and number of 100 rupees notes, how many? 50. Student, do it fast. Student, question number 2, first part. Students, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduced to 1, it becomes half if we only add 1 to denominator. What is the fraction? Student, for fraction we will consider numerator and denominator. Let numerator of the fraction be x and denominator of the fraction be Therefore, the required fraction be Student, what is the fraction? Numerator by denominator, that is x by y, according to first condition. Read the question properly and make the first linear equation in two variables. Students, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction becomes reduced to 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Cross multiplication it. Student, cross multiply it. It becomes 1 multiplied x plus 1 and 1 multiplied y minus 1. Student, any doubt? X plus 1, that is y minus 1. It becomes x minus y minus 1. If you transfer plus 1 from left hand side to right hand side, so plus 1 change into minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation first. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, it becomes half if we only add 1 to denominator according to second condition. X by y, if we add 1 to denominator, only add 1 to denominator, it becomes half. There is no need to add any number to numerator. Cross multiply it. 2 multiplied with x. If 1 is multiplied to y plus 1, that becomes y plus 1. Now student, 2x minus y, that is 1. That is your second equation. Student, do it fast. And we will solve the equation x minus y is equal to minus 2. That is your first equation. Now 2x minus y is equal to 1. That is your second equation. Student, we will solve these pair of linear equations by using elimination method. And here we are observing that the coefficient of y are equal, but the sign are same. So on subtracting equation second from equation first. Now student, sign will be changed. Sign change. Minus x, that is minus 3. Minus minus cancel out. X is equal to 3. Putting x is equal to 3 in equation first. putting x is equal to 3 in equation first, we get friends 3 minus y, that is minus 2. 3 minus y, that is minus 2. Here equation first is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Replace x with 3. 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. That is minus y minus 2 minus 3. Now students, minus y, it is minus 5. Y is equal to 5. Now student, required fraction B. Fraction B 3 upon 5. Student, any doubt, any problems? Do it fast. 2 fifth part. Question number 2 fifth part. Students, a lending library. Lending library means books को क्या है, उधार देना. Lending library has fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. Students, Saritha paid 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Student, let the fixed charge be. Fixed charge be rupees x. Student, fixed charge for first 3 days. This is the fixed charge for first 3 days. And charge for each extra day. And charge for each extra day. Rupees y. Rupees y. Student, fixed charge rupees x and charge for each extra day rupees y. Student, according to first condition. According to first condition. Students, Saritha paid 27 for a book kept for 7 days. Break the 7 days. That is 3 plus 4. Student, for 3 days charge is rupees x, and after each day the rupees is after each extra day rupees is y, and for 4 days rupees will be 4y. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
According to first condition, for 3 days charge will be x, and for 3 plus 4 for 4 days charge will be 4y, and amount will be 27. That is your first equation. Student, according to second condition. According to second condition. Friends, for 5 days, break the 5.
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2. It means 3x plus 2y. X plus 2y. Student, any doubt, any problem in this concept?
No.
21. That is your second equation. Solve the pair of linear equation. Find the value of x and y. Student, your first x plus 4y is equal to 27. X plus 2y is equal to 21. First linear equation, second linear equation, solve the linear equation. That is minus sign, cancel out. 2y, that is 6. Y is equal to 3. Putting y is equal to 3 in equation first. Putting y is equal to 3 in equation first. X plus 4y is equal to 27. Replace y with 3. That is 12, 27. X is equal to 27 minus 12. That is 15.
Yes.
15. 15. So student, fixed charge rupees, fixed charge rupees 15 and charge for
Rupees 3.
is extra day rupees 3.
Rupees 3.
Students, now it is completed. It is the time of your Hindi period. Attend the class of Hindi period. Abhi Sheikh sir waiting for you.